Imagine this. You wake up one morning and discover that a machine has ruined your life. It wasn't a human. It wasn't a company executive. It wasn't a government official. It was artificial intelligence. Maybe an AI system falsely accused you of a crime. Maybe a self-driving car injured someone you love. Maybe an AI-generated deepfake destroyed your reputation overnight. Now comes the obvious question. Who do you sue? The programmer? The company? The user? Or the AI itself? This may sound like science fiction, but courts around the world are already struggling with these questions. As artificial intelligence becomes more powerful, the law is facing one of the greatest challenges in modern history. Can a machine be held legally responsible? Can AI be sued? And what happens if humanity creates something smarter than itself? Many people think the AI revolution is something that will happen in the future. They're wrong. It's happening right now. AI writes articles. AI creates videos. AI diagnoses diseases. AI drives cars. AI approves loans. AI helps judges and lawyers review thousands of documents. In just a few years, AI has gone from a technological curiosity to a force that influences millions of lives every day. But there's a problem. The law was written for humans. Our legal systems assume that decisions are made by people. The law asks, who acted? Who intended harm? Who should be responsible? But AI doesn't fit neatly into any of these categories. And that's creating chaos. Let's imagine a real-world scenario. A self-driving vehicle is traveling down a busy road. Suddenly, it crashes. Someone is injured. Traditionally, the law is straightforward. If a human driver caused the accident, the driver may be liable. But what if there was no human driver? What if the vehicle made its own decision? Who is responsible? The passenger? The manufacturer? The software developer? The company that trained the AI? Or the AI itself? This isn't a theoretical question. Courts and lawmakers across the world are already debating these issues. And self-driving cars are only the beginning. Imagine an AI doctor that gives dangerous medical advice. An AI hiring system that discriminates against applicants. An AI financial program that wipes out someone's savings. As AI gains more autonomy, mistakes become harder to trace back to a single human being. Now consider another growing threat. Deepfakes. AI can now create realistic videos of people saying things they never said, doing things they never did, committing acts they never committed. Imagine waking up and finding a fake video of yourself spreading across social media. Your career collapses. Your family suffers. Your reputation is destroyed. You know it's fake, but millions of people believe it's real. Who should be held responsible? The creator? The platform? The software company? Or the AI tool that generated the content? The law has never faced deception on this scale before. For centuries, lies required human effort. Today, one person with powerful AI tools can create misinformation capable of reaching millions within hours. Here's where things become truly fascinating. The legal system generally punishes people because people can form intentions. A criminal usually has what lawyers call a guilty mind. But can an AI have intentions? Can a machine plan wrongdoing? Can it possess criminal intent? Most legal systems currently say no. Why? Because AI doesn't have consciousness. At least not yet. AI follows patterns. It processes data. It generates outputs. But it does not possess human understanding. That means prosecutors cannot simply place an AI system in handcuffs and bring it to court. At least for now. But what happens if future AI systems become far more sophisticated? The question that once belonged to science fiction is slowly entering legal reality. Now, we arrive at one of the most controversial ideas in modern law. Legal personhood. Here's something many people don't know. Companies are not human beings. Yet the law treats corporations as legal persons. A corporation can own property, sign contracts, sue others, and be sued. If the law can recognize a corporation as a legal person, could it one day recognize highly advanced AI in a similar way? Some experts say absolutely not. They argue that legal rights belong to humans. Others believe future AI systems may become so autonomous that new legal categories will be necessary. Imagine a future where an AI owns intellectual property, operates businesses, makes financial decisions, creates inventions. At that point, lawmakers may face a difficult choice. Do we continue treating AI as property? Or do we create an entirely new legal status? The answer could reshape civilization itself. Today, courts generally focus on the humans behind the AI, the companies, the developers, the operators, the owners. In many cases, responsibility still traces back to people. But as AI becomes more independent, identifying responsibility becomes harder. Imagine an AI system that learns unexpected behavior after years of operation. No programmer directly instructed it. No user intended harm. Yet damage occurs. This is what legal scholars call the accountability gap. A situation where harm exists, but responsibility becomes difficult to assign. And that gap is growing larger every year. The truth is simple. The law is racing to catch up. Technology moves at incredible speed. Legislation moves slowly. Courts move even slower. Humanity is entering territory no generation has ever faced before. For the first time in history, we are creating machines capable of performing tasks once believed to be uniquely human. And every new capability raises new legal questions. Questions about responsibility, rights, privacy, justice, and accountability. So, can AI be sued? Right now, the answer is generally no. But the people and companies behind AI can be. The bigger question isn't whether AI can be sued today. The bigger question is what happens tomorrow. What happens when AI becomes more autonomous, more powerful, more integrated into our daily lives? Will the law adapt? Or will technology outpace our ability to control it? One thing is certain. The battle over AI and the law has only just begun. And the decisions made in the coming years may shape the future of humanity itself. What do you think? Should AI ever be given legal rights? Should advanced AI be held legally responsible for its actions? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this legal deep dive, subscribe to Law and Life Advocate, because understanding the law is understanding life.